Hi, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're cooking at home, where I'm going to show you how you can use barbecue rubs on your everyday kitchen cook. One of my go-to quick and easy meals to cook for the family is spaghetti bolognese, but my secret ingredient is the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso rub. The first thing we need to do is to get our beef mince into a hot pan over the stove. We put a bit of olive oil in our pan. It's nice and hot. Let's put our beef mince in. Keep browning the mince, making sure it doesn't burn. So our beef mince is now nice and brown. It's time to reduce the heat on the stove and add in our pasta sauce. So we started out with 800 grams of lean beef mince. I like to add 2 jars of 500 grams of tomato sauce. We've reduced our heat. Now we're going to let our sauce simmer for about 30 minutes. While we're waiting for our sauce to simmer, it's time to get our pasta on. Okay. So our sauce has been simmering away for about 30 minutes. It's time to give it a little taste test and see if we need to add any more rub. It's pretty delicious, but I'll add a little bit more bovine for that extra punch of flavour. So there you have it. A fantastic spaghetti bolognese that'll suit the whole family with my secret weapon, Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso. So I thought it was delicious, but let's see what the experts think. Dig in, kids. What do you reckon? Is it good? How is it?
Yum.
So yum.